Hello, guys. This is Tcbfx here, and happy weekend to you. And also, this is week 21. I want to say welcome to week 21 in the forex market. Now, this is Tcbfx, and I want to share something with you about the GBpusd coming this week, week 21. Is a forecast I want you to pay attention to. And if you're new to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, because you need to also turn on the bell notification. We will be sending you a notification as soon as we have every video released, especially the weekly one. You don't want to miss it to understand what the market has for you for the week ahead. Now, we're looking at the daily time frame. Now, before we begin to do proper analysis, I would like to make a disclaimer. I personally have seen a lot of people using my name and anchor to create different social media platform that they are using to scam people. Guess what, guys? Do not be a victim, because I do not do account management. I don't do trade management. I don't do what they call it, cryptos, trading, investing, management, whatever they call it. I don't do all of that. I only have one Telegram group, and the link is in the description of this video. That's number one. Number two, I only teach people how to trade. I do not trade for people. I don't take any investment for people. So please, guys, if you're being bombarded by people telling you they want to trade for you, that's not me. That's not from me. That's not my platform. And they are trying to say something to you that has to do with investment, crypto investment, or Bitcoin, or all of that. That's not me. That's not me. Please stay away from there. You know what? On my platform, I only show my face. You show my face, you see my face, and you always hear my voice there. So if that platform is not doing that, then stay away from there, because you are about to be scammed by these people. Okay, now, having said that, we are looking at the British pounds USD for the week 21. Now, remember last week, if you follow my video, I told you that we're going to be selling the market because there's more price action that was displayed. Now, if you check the candle, this is Tuesday. Monday, we had this candle. So normally we have 5 days in a row. So we have this Friday. So this was the Monday, Tuesday. Then we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right. Now, I want you to look at what happened these 5 days. First, when the market opened on Monday, we had a pullback. Why was that? Because we had a breakup structure. Okay, this was the previous low. And when the market broke structure, okay, then it had to retrace. Now, the market retraced into this key level, and that is where I personally began to sell the market, because you need to understand that market have a structure in place. There are structures we need to follow. So we have market creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. All right, market creating higher high, higher lows. So we can see that the market was moving higher. So we are on the uptrend, but all of a sudden we had a rejection. Okay, the market created a very powerful chart pattern there, and then dropped amazingly to break the previous low bodily. Okay, with the candle body. Now the market pull back. What do we expect? Sell. Now, what we see here is that the market has broken this previous low. First, we have now this low that was created, okay? Because this low was the low that broke this previous low. So now we have the new low. Now this new low has been broken. So we expect price to still go down by selling. So that's what we expect. We expect price to still go down. But to where would price go is what we want to find out. Now, I want to, first of all, show you a few things here. First of all, I want you to pay attention to what I'm about to do. Now, this is the daily time frame. Okay, this is the daily time frame, and the reason I'm looking at the daily time frame is for those of you who want to swing trade and also do some intraday trading within the time frame of the week. So we want to see that the trade, what do you want to see right now is I want to see that the market break below this low, okay, and then break above this high. This is what we're looking at for this coming week. Now, what I mean we're looking at it is, if this market push up above this high and break above this high, we are looking for buys. If the market break below this low, then we are looking for more sales. So this is it. Now, this is, remember, this is a daily time frame. So because scalpers can, there's so much money to be made within that zone as well. So, but this is what we're looking at, more buys. But if price trade inside the zone, we're going to be buying and selling. But if price breakout, we'll look for a strong downtrend. If it break to the downside, then we know that the downtrend continue. If it break above, then we know that this whole move was just a fake to the downside, and then they want to rally back up. Now, let me show you the 4-hour time frame so that you can understand what I'm looking at. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we saw this action last week, Friday, a double bottom, and then price began to rally up. So this was a breakup structure on the 4-hour. We have a breakup structure right there on the 4-hour. Okay, so that was a breakup structure there, and the market rallied back up. So what do we see? We see on the 4-hour a pure downtrend playing out. Okay, we see that, but we need to see price. All right, if you are not on the sell on this trade already, then you need to wait for price to break this low, and then you wait for a pullback. Or alternatively, on the 4-hour time frame, for a clearer picture, you want to have this high broken out, this high taken out. I mean, so you want to see this high broken. If this high is broken, then we expect price to target this previous high. I hope you're following this. We expect price to target this high to take it out. So what I mean by that is, on the 4-hour time frame, I want you to pay attention to this. On the 4-hour time frame, we're looking at two things. We will sell more if price break below this low. Okay, so we'll be targeting this low right here, which is 1.22. Okay, or 1.23 region, 1.22 to 1.23 region. We'll be targeting that low. You say, why that low? Because I can obviously see that price have created liquidity at this level. So there's liquidity here that price we want to take out. So a drop will take those liquidity out, and then probably price actions will be seen on this other block right here to the upside, like a rejection. But at the moment, what we're thinking is that the market wants to try to come all the way down to this low. So we expect price to come all the way down to this low to create a more downtrend for the market. That's what we're expecting. But this is just the beginning of the downtrend. It's just starting. It's just starting, because if you put your trend line there, if you put a trend line, you can see it's just starting. Okay, it's just the beginning of the downtrend. So this is what we're looking at the moment. And then you want to have another beautiful trend line on that zone to help you understand if the market want to break that trend line to the upside. Market want to, this is 4-hour time frame, guys. I want you to know that. So if the market want to break this this trend line to the upside and take out this high, this is the structure we want to see. We want to see that price break this structure. And if we push up and break the structure, then we should look for more buys, and then we'll be taking our profit at this level. And that's what a whoopee of what? If you price break, I'm just trying to imagine what's gonna happen. Now let's say price break this high and pull back into the zone, and then you get in and you're targeting this high. For that week, you'll be having like maybe about 200 pips. For a week, that's too much. That's huge. That's big money. So depending on what you can catch. But if the price decide to break this low, maybe say price sell, take out this liquidity here, and then pull back, then you should be looking for opportunity to sell to this low as well. And that will give you about a whoopee. There's more opportunity to sell lower than that, but I'm just telling you a minimum of 130 pips for a week, that is not bad at all. So this is my take on GU this week. I don't want us to go too far from it. Just take these few trades for the week and you'll be all right. In fact, 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, if you know what you're doing, is enough to take care of your account within the week. So now you have to trade. Now remember, the market trade up and down. It goes up, it goes down. So the market trade in a wave. So don't expect price to just push up all the way like that. You have a wave pattern until the TP is hit. So have that in mind, very important. So this is what I'm looking at on GU this week. And it's a very simple one. I don't want it to be complex. If the market is going to buy, we should expect a break of structure to the upside and we buy. If the market is going to sell, we expect a break of the structure for more sell because it's already selling on the 4-hour time frame. We can see structures are being broken. We can see market is already tanking down. So this is what we want to pay attention to this week, week 21. I believe you guys have gotten it now. If you want to learn more about trading, you want to know more about trading, our Telegram group is free. It's in the description below. You need to join us quickly. Hit that Telegram group and join us. And also for those of you who want to join the mentorship, the link is in the description below in our mentorship. You don't need to join, but if you want to join our team, you're free to join and hit me up as well. I'll see you in the team. Thank you, guys. This has been an awesome moment to do this analysis. It's a very simple one, straight to the point. You don't need to beat around this. This is a simple trade setup, and we are looking for it to happen. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in week 22. Now, for those of you actually watching, you're still watching and you trade Euro USD, I'm going to be putting the video up for you. So the video of Euro USD will come up in a few minutes. So ensure you watch that as well. Or you will see it at the end of this video showing you to watch it. Please watch the video and enjoy yourself. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. You know where to find me. Thank you, and I'll see you next week in week 22. Bye for now.